Hi, I really fancy some baked oats today, so I'm going to show you the recipe that I use for baked oats. I'm going to do plum baked oats. So I've put some stewed plums in the bottom of a silicone mould. So I'll put that to one side. I've got 40 grams of oat bran, which is 4 smart points. So you can use porridge oats, but I just prefer oat bran. I've tried both and I prefer that. So I'm going to break 1 egg into that. Then I'm going to put a little bit of sweetener in because I like it sweet. Just shake a bit of that in. I'm going to put a cap full of the Schmores sugar-free coffee syrup that I got from TK Maxx. I'm only doing that because I've got that in the plums, so I just thought I'd put a bit of that in as well. Just about half a cap full. And then I've got 100 grams of 0% fat Greek yogurt I'm going to put in. I'm just going to mix that together. Until it's all combined. I'm just going to put a layer on top of the plums. Now you can put a banana in if you want as well, and an extra egg I'd put in if I used a banana. But I know some people don't like bananas in it, so I just thought I'd show you without. So I've just put a layer of that on. Now I'm just going to put that in the oven, gas mark 6, until it's brown and bubbling around the edges. So thank you. So these are my finished baked oats. They're still really hot and bubbling from the oven. So I'm just going to try and turn it out into my bowl without burning myself. There you go. And there's the baked oats. And I'm going to serve that with some Skinny Food Company's custard flavoured syrup. I would have it sometimes with some Greek yoghurt as well, but I fancy that today. So I'm just going to drizzle some of that onto there. And there's plum baked oats. Thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.